In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wireframe in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Figma website. If you don't have an account yet, look for the Sign Up button and create one. If you already have an account, simply click the Login button and enter your credentials to get started. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your Figma dashboard. Here, you'll see a New File button located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open up a new Figma file in a separate tab where all the magic will happen. To start building your wireframe, you'll want to select the Frame tool. You can find this in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. It looks like a rectangular box. Alternatively, for a faster option, just press the F key on your keyboard. This will make it easier for you to create frames of any size you want. Now click and drag on the canvas to create a frame that fits your vision. If you prefer to have specific dimensions, you can always enter the width and height in the Properties panel on the right side after selecting your frame. Once your frame is ready, it's a good idea to give it a name. Right-click on the layer in the Layers panel on the left, or double-click the layer name and type a meaningful name that suits your wireframe. Next up, let's add some UI components to your wireframe. Grab the Rectangle tool from the toolbar or press the R key on your keyboard. Draw rectangles that will represent buttons, images, or other UI elements you want to include. Once you have your rectangles, you can adjust their size, color, or stroke by making sure the rectangle is selected. In the right side Properties panel, change the fill color to a light gray to signify an inactive state and tweak the border settings if necessary. Keep adding elements like text boxes, navigation bars, or icons by repeating what you just did for the rectangles. For any text elements, select the Text tool from the toolbar. It's the T icon, or hit T on your keyboard. Click on the canvas and type in your desired text. For a more structured layout, you can use the Align tools located in the top right section of the toolbar to evenly position multiple elements. You might want to align items left, center, or right to keep everything looking neat. If you're looking to add images or icons, click on File in the top left corner and select Place Image to upload an image from your computer. Alternatively, you can open the Assets panel to conveniently drag and drop icons from the library. As your wireframe comes together, use the Comment feature by clicking the speech bubble icon in the top right of the window. This lets you leave notes for yourself or your collaborators about specific sections of the wireframe. When you want to see how your wireframe looks, click on the play icon in the top right corner. This opens a presentation view, giving you a chance to navigate through your wireframe like it's a live prototype. If you'd like to share your progress for feedback, hit the Share button in that same top right corner. Here, you can either invite people by entering email addresses or simply copy a shareable link to distribute as you please. Now, if you're worried about losing your work, don't be. Figma automatically saves your changes as you go. However, if you want to rename your document, just click on the file name at the top. Finally, when you're satisfied with your wireframe and are ready to export it, select the frame or elements you want to export. Navigate to the right side Properties panel, scroll to the Export section, click the plus button, set your desired format like PNG or JPG, and hit the Export button. Just like that, you're all set to save it locally on your computer. And that's it. Creating a wireframe in Figma is straightforward once you get the hang of it. Thanks for joining me today, and don't